Hello friends. In this video, I've gathered a summary of the current trends in the world and on YouTube. In one video, we'll create images for your social media platforms, featuring your channel's name. Additionally, we'll include images for any country, using any letter you desire. There will be pictures of couples in modern attire, and any car you want can also appear in the image. Furthermore, there will be visuals representing countries with their names mentioned, as well as pictures of young children with names on their clothes. The beauty of it all is that all these images can be created with just one click and one prompt. I'll leave each all prompt in the description box for your reassurance. All of this will be done using DALL-E 3, a platform developed in partnership with ChatGPT. However, to work on it, you'll need to subscribe to ChatGPT 4. In this video, I'll share with you how to access DALL-E 3 for free by simply registering on Microsoft Bing. It's a straightforward process that doesn't require any complications. If you're watching me for the first time, welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Your support matters to us. Now let's move on to the explanation. The first step is to open the Chrome browser to access the DALL-E 3 website. I will type Bing here to reach it. Then I will register on Microsoft Bing. Click on the first link. This is the free way to access this site. I will click on Connection at the top, then proceed to register with my email or Gmail on Microsoft Bing. If your account is finished, simply register with another email. Now I will go to the top. After registering with Gmail, click on Images in this way, then go to Create. It's simple. And this is the interface of the DALL-E 3 website on Microsoft Bing. Click on Join and Create, and here is the interface, as you can see. I have 15 points only. I have used this account before. When I finish with it, or if I want to create more images, I will create another account with 15 more points. Each point gives you 4 images. Honestly, it's fantastic. Now I will start creating the prompts. I will leave this prompt in the description. For example, I entered the name of my channel, AI Extend. Here in the beginning, created a 3D image. Then I specified the gender, either boy or girl. I will change it. You will see this shortly. This is just an example. If you want a girl, write girl here. Write the name of the social media platform, whether Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, or any other site you want here. This is the only thing you need to change in this prompt, the gender of the child or the social media site you want. After that, click on Create and wait a little. A point will be deducted here, as you can see. It was 15 and now it's 14. These are the images. If you watch, I will show you how it appears. Honestly, it's insane. It's really great. Just click on Download here. It will download. We'll change, for example, one of the social media platforms just for variety, but the prompt is 1. I will write YouTube. Now I will press Create. Now wait and see if it will generate images for a girl with the YouTube logo and my channel name. Enter your channel name to get what you want. These are the images I obtained. You see a girl with the YouTube logo and the channel name. I will press Download easily, and these are the second images. You can browse them. If you like any image, click on Download. It's simple. Honestly, now I will try to create images of a sporty girl playing hockey. I will change the sitting girl to a sporty girl. Let's see if it will give me images of a sporty girl. I will go to the social media site. Instead of YouTube, I will type TikTok, just for variety. I will write it like this. This is just for variety. I will write this, and any prompt I write, you will find it in the description box. Just change these variables that I showed you, click on Create, and these are the images. It didn't give me the images I wanted, but they are still good. I will change it again. The prompt remains the same. Any image you like, click Download. Now, we will move on to other images and trends, specifically related to countries. I will also leave this prompt in the description box. Instead of USA, you will put the country you want. Likewise, you can leave the color and here the letter U, for example. If I want, for instance, this country to appear in the shape of the letter U with its traditions and culture, I will put USA as an example. Just click on Create, as you can see. These are the images I obtained. It's truly amazing, the national flag of the USA at the top, with the Capitol building in the center and the Empire State Building on the side. The pictures are truly fabulous. I will now move you to another prompt in a different format. This prompt is for both a girl and a boy. and it's also a trending topic in the world currently on YouTube. If you see here, change the country name instead of USA. Also, replace USA wherever you find it with the country name. Here you can enter the name of the car, for example, Lamborghini, and the logo's name. Then click on Create, and these are the images. I also specified the year as 2024, and these are the images. Truly modern clothes and a Lamborghini car, as you can see, it's amazing. By changing only the variables I showed you, if you like any image, click on Download. It's simple. Just change the country name and the type of car. For example, instead of Lamborghini, write any car you want. The website will incorporate it into your images. Now I will return once again. I will present another prompt, this time related to countries. However, the countries will appear in the form of fantastic crystals. Honestly, wherever you see a country or the name of a country, change it to the country you desire instead of Canadian to any country you want. This is just an example. It's a simple process. I will leave the prompt in the description. Click on Create, and the crystals with the name of the country, such as Canadian, will appear. It's straightforward. If you like any image, click on Download. Honestly, the pictures are fantastic. And with this, I will take you to the latest trend for young children with the names you desire appearing on their clothes. I will place the prompt as well, a single prompt here to begin with. For example, you can add or write the names of the boy and the girl, such as Joe and Nikita here. Christmas is for New Year's Eve. You can change these variables as well. If you go forward, you'll find that the prompt has set the color of their clothes to yellow and blue. It's simple. Click on Create and wait for these images, as you can see. The names mentioned in the prompt, Joe and Nikita, appear on their clothes. It's wonderful. Honestly, the website is fantastic, DALL-E 3. However, what few people pay attention to, and I honestly don't want to prolong in this video, is that I don't want to create a separate video for each prompt. In 5 minutes, I have just summarized each prompt, and I will leave each prompt in the description to avoid prolonging the process. Honestly, it doesn't need multiple videos because, as I mentioned, it's simple. Just one prompt. Create what you want. Thank you so much for joining us today. It is always a pleasure to share this intellectual adventure with such an engaged community. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and above all, stay connected. See you soon.